Hi, my friend. I'm here to support you how to let go of anger. Anger can be so toxic, so powerful, but because it's such a powerful energy, we can transform it into actually the most fertile soul to feel amazing. But now you're angry, so let's deal with the anger first of all. So what I'd like to invite you is to pay attention how your body feels. Yeah, so instead of dealing now with what made you angry, just pay attention inwards. Pay attention to the quality of your breathing. Is it shallow or is it deep? Pay attention to how your body is held. Maybe you are a bit hunched or tight. Pay attention to the state of your brain, not to the thought, but how your brain feels. Maybe you have some headache or tension or anything that is not comfortable. Pay attention to your muscles. Are they relaxed or are they tight? Good. So obviously you can notice that things are not in the best way or the best form you like them to be. So let's start to harmonize. So let's start to soften, and let's start with the face. Just feel that your face are softening down from the head, forehead, the area of the jaw, the tongue, everything softens down. Then go to your chest and shoulders, arms and fingers, and let them drop only with your mind. Then you go to your legs. Let them soften, let them relax. Invite them to become heavy. Beautiful. And now when the body is more spacious, let's breathe in a deep breath into the whole body and fill up the whole body with a lot of air. Exhale and release. Again, fill up the whole body with a lot of air. Exhale and release. One more deep breathing. Fill up the whole body with a lot of air. Exhale and release. And now try to recognize those specific areas that feel tense and soften those areas by breathing into them. So if you feel that you have tension in your stomach, take a deep breath, but focus it only to that area. Exhale and release. And like this, go from one place to another place that you feel is tense. Take a deep breath to that area. Exhale and release. Okay, so just to summarize, the first thing you do is acknowledging, I don't want to be angry right now. The second thing is moving into your body. How is my body? So do a scanning. The third thing is starting to relax from head to feet. And the fourth thing is deep breathing to the whole body, and then focusing deep breathing to areas that feel tight. Like this, you can shift very, very fast from tension and anger into much more comfortable existence. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.